complex. Here we are. There we go, folks. There you go, folks. My last visit here, 1983. What is it, 42 years later, here I am again. Last time I climbed much of this, tracked along as a teen. Yes, as a teenager, I tracked along the way through different arches. Wow. Catholic Church. None of those electric trains exist then. There's the old steamers. Funicular is going up and down. Can then go. Look at this, folks. A monastery with incredible presence. Monastery, keeping the monastery environmentally friendly with a cigarette. That's what they do these days. Green new scam, I'll call it.